Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I would like to share with you guys that how you can save your reels in your gallery. So for that you have to go to your Instagram account and choose any video that you want to save. So I'm going to choose this video. After that, tap share and add reel to your story, and then zoom in like this and tap top right, that three dot, tap on that three dot and then tap save, and the video is processing. Okay, the video is processing. Okay, so video is saved, and then go to your gallery. Open up the video, and there you go, your video is saved. So yeah, this is how you can save your reels from Instagram in your gallery. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.